get ready with me. So we're gonna be fixing my hair. But first, I'm gonna be putting this one para mabaw yung hair ko. This is what I put. It's like a perfume, well, it's a perfume hair essence that I put in my hair para lang mabaw siya. Okay. So, this is my everyday look. So, nilalagay ko to every after kong maligo. Para naman mabaw yung hair. Although mayroon naman na siyang conditioner, but I still put this one para very fresh and very, bango yung hair ko. So, this is from July. I don't know how you read this, but it's in Rose and Lily perfume. So, on yun na, super duper bango niya. Yeah. So, the next one that I'll be putting is this, kasi magka-curl tayo later. So, this is Dove Style and Care Curls Defining Mousse. Okay? So, I don't know how to put this, but I'll just try. So, shake one, then upside down, dispense into hand and spread between palms. Distribute evenly throughout damp, towel-dried hair. Oh, so it has to be towel-dried. So, dapat guys, mas maganda daw na hindi ganong magdigaan tuyo. So, sabi nila, let's shake it. So, hindi nilalagay ko para hindi siya nagamit yung hair ko. Kakakulot ko ng kakakulot. Oh. It has to be like that. Okay, there you go. So, this is how it looks like. I'll just put it here. And then here. Marami na tayong gagawin. But, so, pagdala natin siya before tayo mag-start mag-kulot. Okay? Like this. Okay, so, now, that it is like that. Medyo damp na siya, pero siya basa. Start na natin mag-blower ng hair. I will be using Kaimo. This is what I'm using for curling. So, let's start. Gusto ko medyo wavy lang. So, pataas ang ginagawa ko. Okay, first play muna natin. Ito yung start. So, guys, hindi ka. I will second my hair. Pero patuloy natin siya. Hindi siya natin. So, let's get a portion off here. So, like this. So, with it, like natin. So now, kabila naman yung So, this is how it looked like. So, I did not spend even 5 minutes dito. So, kaya ganun lang siya. Hindi ko siya gaanong kinurl. Just, parang effortless lang. So, kapag mamamalengke or wala, everyday lang, you can do it. Pero since alis ako ngayon, I'm gonna make some curls. Since I want to curl my hair, I'm gonna be using this one. I just bought it from TikTok, but this is super cheap. It's Hodek automatic curler. Very easy lang siyang gamitin. And then, kaibahan niya sa Dyson kasi yung Dyson is air, so natatanggal agad yung curl. Pero nung ginamit ko to, nagulat ako kasi tumagal yung curl. So, super duper bilis lang yung gamitin. I'm gonna show you how. So first, we're gonna be sectioning our hair. This one is free. You listen to the box. So I'm gonna be sectioning my hair like that. Okay. I'm not sure kung gitna na siya, but ayan. Sige. Alright. And then we're gonna be sectioning my hair. Wala ko ng stop. Para medyo, yan. Then, ito muna kakirl natin. Half muna. Okay. So let's start. So, kuha lang ako. Kagandahan dito, kahit marami akong kuning portion. Nakukulot siya. Very amazing. Super cheap ng curler, but it really works great. So, yan. Sobrang mura lang niya eh. Parang wala ng thousands. Not sure. I think wala ng thousands, but yeah. So, since, yan, you just have to put your hair there. The middle ko lang natin siya. Or something, yeah. Alright, and then like that. And then you pull your hair. Wait, sorry, something like that. And then you pull your hair. Oh, ito pa siya, mainit. Oh, no, dito mainit. Then, so, back siya gamitin, no? So, first, you have to open it 3 seconds, and then we go. Yun siya sa 160 degrees. And then, up lang natin, kasi gusto natin hindi naman. And then, let's wait for like 2 minutes or 1 minute para lang makip yung curler. So, habang inaantay natin siya, habang section may hair muna. Pwede ko kung medyo makapal, since parang it works not just like an iron, so it doesn't matter kung makapal o hindi. Okay, so, yeah, although wala pong 1 minute, we can start na. Kasi init naman din siya. So, start. So, gusto ko kasi is, palayo yung curl or outside, kaya, may direction siya eh. So, you can choose whether you want it to go right or you want it to go left. So, yan. Hintay lang natin siya. Diba? So, super easy lang. Hintay lang natin siya. Minute. Nila ko lang siya. So, sobrang bilis lang siya yung ginawa ko. Kasi yung super duper kulot. Gusto ko na kapag bumagsak pa rin siya, pero baby lang. So, yan. Ayan siya. Pero kung mas gusto ko pa ng kulot, pwede ko naman din papagalan pa. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung itsura niya. But if I want it to be more curled, so, pwede ko naman siya. Ganyan natin. Siya na yung bahalang tatalaw para sa sarili ko. Ayan. So, let's wait another, like, let's wait 30 seconds. So, ayun, nasa second portion na ako. Let's wait lang. Hanggang sa curl siya. I'm gonna show you the final now. So, now, I'm curling the last portion of my hair. Okay, so here siya. Now, for the last, usually the one is tails. Just like that. And then, bongga. Ganda yan. See? So, kulot. So, yun siya. Super kulot niya. Diba? Bongga. Or you can do it like this. Or like this. See? Ayan, so no need na ng makeup. Kasi buhok pa lang ang bongga. Panalo na. See? Buhok pa lang, panalo na.